Oh. So this is a common mullein. Common mullein plant is growing just by this tree on this trail. This is just regular old Tennessee land. You can harvest this just by pulling it off. You grab it and you take it home with you. You want to get the ones that are good and not have mold on them. So yeah, this is her. I might leave these. I don't know. Should I take them? I may leave them and come back. So yeah, isn't it so pretty? Montage. Wow. Just wow. And action. Hi. Is my gum okay? I'll try not to chew. My sister used to threaten to beat me up for chewing loud. Anyone else? Or is it just me? I'm gonna be washing the mullein I just harvested. I don't know if you're supposed to, but I feel like I'm just going, because you can smoke it to like relieve cold and cough symptoms and like get out that nasty stuff. Like it's gonna make you cough a lot to get out that gross stuff that's not supposed to be in your lungs. So yeah, or you can make tea with it. Yeah, that's all I know. So yeah. You like that? You're in the sink. What's up? How's it going? You ready to get wet? Alright, let's get to it. We're gonna be washing this mullein and this is just so aesthetically pleasing, I feel like. I'm like, wow. I don't even know if this is what you're supposed to do, so I'm about to Google. I'm really sorry if this is not what you're supposed to do. You're not supposed to wash mullein. Ta-da! Conclusion, you should go find mullein so you can smoke it or drink it so you can cough up the gross stuff that's in your lungs from vaping or doing anything else or from smoking or from corona. I hate to say it, I don't know, is that controversial to bring up? I don't know. But if you do have corona, I'm sure that it would help drinking it to cough up that gross stuff. So yes, thank you. Please watch for more life hacks with plants and thank you. Bye.